How do developers prioritize bug fixes for day one patches? Imagine preparing for a major event where every detail counts. The success depends on addressing the most critical issues first, ensuring the experience is smooth and enjoyable for users. When it comes to launching a new software version or game update, developers face a similar challenge. They must decide which bugs to fix immediately and which can wait, all within a tight timeframe. The process begins with gathering comprehensive data from various sources. Developers analyze crash reports, user feedback, and automated testing results to identify issues that impact the core functionality. Bugs that cause the application to crash or prevent users from completing essential tasks are given top priority. These are often labeled as critical or showstoppers because they threaten the overall usability of the product. Next, developers assess bugs that affect user experience but are less severe. For example, visual glitches or minor performance hiccups might be scheduled for later updates if they do not hinder primary functions. The goal is to ensure that the most important features work flawlessly from the start. Another important factor is the reproducibility of bugs. Developers prioritize issues that can be reliably recreated, as these are easier to fix quickly. If a bug occurs only under rare circumstances, it might be deprioritized in favor of more common problems. Resource availability also influences prioritization. Teams evaluate the complexity of fixing each bug and the time required. Critical issues that can be resolved swiftly are addressed first, while more complex problems might be deferred if they are less impactful. Additionally, developers consider the potential impact on the launch timeline. Sometimes, a bug fix might delay the releases, so they weigh the benefits of immediate correction against the risk of postponing the launch. Communication with stakeholders is vital here to set realistic expectations. Finally, testing plays a crucial role. After fixing high-priority bugs, developers conduct regression testing to ensure that the fixes do not introduce new issues. This iterative process helps deliver a stable and polished product on day one. In summary, prioritizing bug fixes for day one patches involves evaluating severity, reproducibility, resource requirements, and overall impact on user experience. By carefully balancing these factors, developers aim to deliver a reliable and enjoyable product from the very first day.